Today's best music mix.
Free radio.
Hi guys, we're Sam and Mark, and we are getting into the great outdoors because the Spring Caravan and Camping Show is happening very soon.
And we're right here at Blackwell Adventure Centre for a bit of a Sam versus Mark challenge. Are you ready for this?
Oh, I'm ready. I'm going to take you down, Mark.
Oh yeah? You want to know what the challenge is?
Yeah, go on, what is
It's
it?
a dance-off.
Really?
No, it's wall climbing.
Of course. Let's do it! Go.
Wow. Are you all right?
I'm pretty tired.
Yeah, I finished about half an hour before.
All right.
You enjoyed it though?
Yeah, loved it. Been a great day.
It's been great, you really, really has.
The Spring Caravan and Camping Show is on at the NEC from the 19th to the 24th of February. Win your way in, plus an amazing adventure day for the whole family. Catch Sam and Mark in person at the show on Saturday, 23rd of February. Come and say hi.
Free radio.
Today's best music mix.
It's nice.